Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to search portfolio in Axiom Pro. So if you want to do this right here, we are now on the deck screener. You see right here that you can click right here on active wallets, where you will find right here your wallets. So this is the place where you can find your wallets. But if you want to see your portfolio, we go right here in the top to portfolio, and then you will find right here at spot trading all the information that you need. So right here you will find active positions, history, and top 100 right here. So decide which one you want to check. Then from here you can also search here for other wallets. Now we see also right here that we can change on the time frame for the information. So let's do the last 30 days, last 7 days, or last 1 day. And if you want to change from spots to wallets, you can go right here to wallets. And you have also right here perpetuals, where you can click on to see also your P&L information. So this is exactly where you can find your portfolio and where you can find all the information from your wallets, your portfolio too, on Axiom Pro. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you want to create yourselves an account right here on Axiom Pro, please check out the description where I helped you out with saving 10% on fees on Axiom Pro. So click there on that link to create yourselves an account. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.